In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use Safari Notify Me on iPhone. Intro. First things first, you do need to open up Safari and essentially just go to whatever web page it is that you want Safari to monitor. Hit the page menu up in the address bar, which is like those three little lines, and then you just need to go ahead and select Notify Me. You can choose what you want Safari to watch out for on that page, such as like a price change or a product restock. And Apple will say Notify Me can monitor web pages for changes and alert you whenever they do happen. So go ahead and confirm the notification, and Safari will then monitor the page. And if it detects the change that you requested, you'll receive a notification on your iPhone, which is actually super cool. You could also check it daily at a certain time, or you could also have it check every single hour, every single week, every single month. It's pretty cool. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.